If you're looking for the perfect present, then look no further than one of RiiRoo's latest. If your kids are full of energy and they need an outlet to funnel that energy, then check out our latest BMW 1200GS style motorbike from RiiRoo. Not only does it look amazing from the images, just wait until you get it home and your kid jumps on it for the first time. Trust us when we say that it will be a mammoth task trying to prize them away once they experience the joy of riding it. It's suitable for children of up to 8 years of age or up to 128cm in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, startup engine sounds, integrated multimedia console.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. Rear suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. Throttle acceleration method. The off-road wheel design gives more grip on uneven surfaces such as grass or dirt. Realistic multi-spoke rims. Check out the realistic brake discs. Removable safety stabilizers for those that have transitioned to just riding the bike with two wheels. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.